Hello, it's Helen Godden here, and I'd like to invite you all to come along and join me for my Flower Power Quilt-a-long. Yes, it's a free quilt-along with instructional video, and we're going to create a 9-patch quilt with each block being based on a different simplified flower. So you can quilt with me, you could paint with me, you could embroider or even applique. So the fun will start on Easter Sunday, where you'll be able to access each pattern from my photo album on Facebook, and then join me on YouTube on Helen Godden Quilts to watch an instructional video each day. It's totally free. You can join in anytime you like and catch up even if you get behind. So every second day, starting from Easter Sunday, I'd love you to join me for my Flower Power Quilt-a-long. Oh, and guess what? It's free! That's right, so you can join in the fun and we'll all get through this isolation period together. Education and inspiration, helengodden.com.